Welcome back. I am your host, Racky. It is another episode of the Road to Racks December Day Trading Challenge. Today it is the 8th day of the challenge, and we are hoping the market goes up. We want the market to go up. If the market goes up, we make money. As you can see, I am in a suit. I am looking professional. I am the real deal. I am a day trader now. Apparently, after 7 days of day trading, I'm now a day trader. Just kidding. I'm not. I really want to clarify, I'm not a day trader. I am a value investor, but I'm a value investor who is trying day trading. Over the weekend, there was the vaccine news. The FDA approved the vaccine. Hopefully the stocks that go up are the stocks that are the most beaten down or would benefit from this news, such as Carnival, Boeing, etc. We have positions in those. We also have a position in the broad-based market, so we just want the market in general to go up. All right, so the market started at 36.75 open. Market immediately flew up all the way up to 36.95. Amazing. Now, there has been just sort of this downward trend to 36.76. I entered more call options. I bought more call options, meaning I'm betting on the market to go up so we can make money. So Carnival opened the day, went all the way up to 22.5, and it's just completely sold off. It's completely sold off, and that's not good. That's not good for our position. That's going the wrong direction. It's up 1.58% on the day, but at one point it was up 6%. So I really would have liked to have sold that position immediately. And then Tilray is just been a black hole. Let's pull up Tilray. Since this challenge has started, as you can see, Tilray has just completely sold off. It is not making money. It is losing money when we want to be making money. We have made money both shorting the market and going long on the market. So I'm going to pull up the 1 minute chart. Not looking good at all. Not good. I think we're going to win the day. I think we can win the day. I eat my words. Not good. Not good at all. And there she goes. This is part of day trading. I am losing money, but at least we look good while we're losing money, right? I don't think this market is just going to just continue to sell off. This is America. This is America. So Boeing's up 1%, Carnival's up 1%, Tilray, the black hole, is down 4%. It is December 14th. It is day 8 of the December day trading challenge. So we're going to buy 8 more. The way I envision this is that they're going to start showing people getting shots. The light at the end of the tunnel. It is currently 10:52 a.m. We have 4 hours until the market closes. I'll give you an update in who knows when. I think that the sell-off is over. I'm buying more. I'm adding to our position. We currently have 22 contracts. I want more. So now we are losing heaps of money right now, actually. The account is burning through cash. I mean, it could just sell off the rest of the day. Hopefully we don't lose all our money. That would be totally awful. Actually, I'm going to buy this dip again. The vaccine is approved. Stock's cratered. What the heck is going on? So I wouldn't be surprised if this craters and we're looking at like 36.45 to end the day. This is awful. This sucks. I can't look at this anymore. I'm turning off the screen recording. We're going to see where the market is at the end of the day. I need to go do something productive with my time because sitting here watching me lose money is not that. That is not productive. The year of 2020, nothing makes sense at all. Vaccine is approved by the FDA. Stocks crater. We did not make money today. This was the goal. That's what happened. Just threw it away. I did mention at some point that the account. I did mention. Oh, today it'll probably end up like at 36.45. Well, it ended at 36.47. And I didn't want that to happen. I probably should have sold the position. I held. I bought more. It went lower. 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 To me, this is just basically like going to a casino and gambling. Who would have thought that it would just crater the rest of the entire day. Not just go down, I mean legitimately crater. Jump off a cliff, skydiving with no parachute, crater, hit the ground. What? Was I supposed to know that was going to happen? If you knew that was going to happen, please warn me, because I had no clue. I mean, I wore my red tie today. I guess that's fitting because there's a lot of red in the account. So I matched what happened. This just justifies why day trading is so difficult. This just justifies why I don't day trade. This literally is why I don't day trade. Vaccine is approved, stocks crater. Makes any sense? No. Look at the two huge news events that we thought would be absolutely in our favor. The MORE Act, it's passed, cratered. Vaccine approved, cratered. It's almost as if good news is bad and bad news is good. So we still have money in the account. We still have $5,000 in the account. So I can't be upset about the loss of the profits, but no one likes to lose money, especially me. I hate losing money. This wasn't fun. I'm gonna shave tonight. I'm gonna change some things up for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna shave. I have no clue what will make the market go up or down. Really, it's controlled by algorithms and computers. Similar to the algorithm, like YouTube algorithm. If you could hit that like button and subscribe, that would be amazing. So the YouTube algorithm knows about the Racky Ryan channel. I'd really appreciate it.